Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add friends in your Discord account from computer and from mobile. Adding a new friends on your Discord is pretty easy process, and here's how to do it. First of all, on your computer browser, open Discord and sign into your Discord account. And then in this left-hand menu, just click on direct message, and then here you will directly jump into this interface. And now click on add friend, and in this box you have to write the account username whom you want to add as friend. So let's search for, and now so make sure to write the Discord account username accurately, and then just click on send friend request. And now you have to verify that you are a human. And as you can see, I've successfully sent a friend request to this Discord account. And after that, when the account receive the accept, the account will be connected with me on Discord. And now to check your friend request on Discord, go to pending section, and here you will find all of your Discord account friend request list. You can accept any friend request by clicking on this tick icon, and the account will be add with you. And go to all section. Here you will find all of your Discord account friends. And now I'll show you how to add friend from a Discord server. So go to a server and just click on this show member list, and here you will find this specific server member list. Now all you have to need to add anyone as your friend, just click on the user account and click on view profile, and here just click on send friend request, and the friend request will be sent to the account. And now let's see how to add friends on Discord from a mobile. On your mobile device, open the Discord app and sign into your account, and then just tap on this icon at the top left corner, and here just tap on add friends. And here to add someone by username, tap on add by username, and in this username box go ahead and type the account username whom you want to add as friend, and then tap on send friend request, and ensure that you are not a robot. And that's it. So this is how we can add friend on Discord from computer and mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.